Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. I'm excited to get this package in the mail. You know, the post office has been so terrible lately about getting packages on time. Somebody throws this in a priority envelope, sends it priority mail, and you're supposed to get it in a couple days, and you get it in the mail, 7, 8, 9 days later. It's a little frustrating just because you want to get it. You want to see what you purchased. I think this one has the potential to be pretty cool. It's something I ordered that's more of a premium type item, although the price wasn't that bad compared to, the same size in other coins or rounds. But I thought this was pretty cool. And, it's fun once in a while to buy something cool, right? So why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so I already cut this open because I feel you guys need to sit there and watch me cut something open. So I just had to be careful because this one comes with a cert. And make sure I got everything out of there. So here's the certificate of authenticity. So this is one of those special rounds that were created by Prospector's Golden Gems. And let's read it here real quick. It says this 10th ounce gold is one of the first 500 made from domestic production of gold ore processed in Colorado by Prospector's Golden Gems Refining and Front Range Milling at the end of 2020. This coin features an image of gold being broken from the hard rock. So there's what the coin's going to look like right there. Sorry, it's really round, right? Even though he calls it a coin, it's really round. The coin features an image of gold being broken from the hard rock. Rods and fragments of broken rock surround the gold that has been freshly liberated. A collaboration designed by Daniel Carr and produced by David Emsley, this is the first gold from a project years in the making. Your support by purchasing this special piece of history helps support clean America mining jobs, industry, and innovation. Helps to de-superfund waste mine dumps, all while adding to the wealth and prosperity to local communities and yourself. So it's 1/10 troy ounce, 999 plus fine gold, 16 millimeters in diameter, manufacturing origin Colorado, USA, designer David Carr, manufacturing David Emsley, who owns the Prospector's Golden Gems. So I got 275 out of 500. So that's pretty cool, huh? What's on the other side? Nope, nothing back here. But nice certificate, huh? My problem is you got to store this with this tiny little thing. That's going to be a little tricky. But it looks like we got David's business card here. Oh, and what's this? Looks like he sent me a little something extra there. Well, that's pretty cool. We'll have to check that out. So let's get this out of here. Stuck in the flip here. So this is going to be this guy right here, right? So let's zoom in if we can. Okay. Maybe take this card out of here for a moment. So yeah, so there you go, huh? That is pretty cool. As long as I can hang on to it. Yeah, that's pretty nice. I like that design for sure. So made from ore, mined in the USA. And the back has the typical Prospector's eagle on it. Fine gold, 999 plus, 1/10 of an ounce. So we can flip it over, get a better view now that the camera's kind of zoomed in a little bit. It's pretty nice. I like that. It's pretty cool. The camera's having a hard time picking up all the details, so let's kind of just take a closer look here. So, made from ore mined in the U.S. And turn it a little bit, that'd be like that. Front range milling, produced, processed in Colorado, 2020 first production. So that's pretty cool, huh? I like that a lot. It's nice to be part of something they're doing here in America, huh? That's pretty cool. Number 275 of 500. But what else did he send me here? Looks like he sent me a silver version of the, not the same thing, but the Prospectors. I've had one of these in the past. Is it a 2021? Is it? Oh yeah, got the 2021 silver one as well. And as some of you may know, depends on when I put these videos out, I've got the matching gold 2021 as well. That's really cool that he sent one of those. This was not supposed to come with it. He added it in there. So that helps the value of what I received, huh? Let's flip these over. 2021s. So that's not a tenth of an ounce, 0.05 of an ounce. Pure silver. That's okay though. Hey, got it as a freebie. I'll take it. Would 0.05 be a 20th of an ounce, right? Think so. So yeah, I got a little matching there, huh? Now this isn't the one that came with this. This one is. But yeah, pretty nice that he threw in a little freebie there. I like it. But yeah, I thought this was pretty cool. Really nice addition to the gold stack. And it was reasonably priced. It was just as much as any other 10th ouncer without, didn't have a really high premium on it or anything. So I'll tell you what, why don't we move this out of the way. See if we can zoom back out a little bit. I probably zoomed down a little too far. Got a little bit grainy. It's always a little bit better to keep out a little bit and then move it to the camera. It's having a hard time with this thing for sure on the camera. Alright, well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.